Out of Amsterdam. Oh, brilliant. Alright, cheers guys. Alright. Yeah.
Then turn left onto Kaisersgracht.
Cheers, geezer.
Cheers.
Oh my god, I can't believe it. We are at the Awakenings Festival. My first one ever in my life. Woo. This is going to be good.
Underneath the maag van de rug, your love will remain forever. Too late.
Hang on, what was I saying?
The trip was amazing. Couldn't have asked for a better birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sean, and everyone else.
Thanks.
Very good.
Yeah, drink it. And cheers the camera for a trip.
Cheers. Cheers, everyone.
What's our seat? I'm 10C, you're 10A. Well, this is it. Real pleasure. Yeah, we've done it. What a cracking weekend.
Yes.
Cheers, geezer.